So many pieces all back together now. What's your vision?
Hello friends. Welcome to the channel, Euphoria Science. In this video, I would tell you about matter. Yes, matter, which is available all around us. So, let's begin. Firstly, what do you think a matter would be? Okay, I will explain you. In simple words, you can say that anything, which occupies space and has mass is called matter. But do you know what is mass? Mass is the quantity of matter present in a substance. Okay, let's come back to matter, and try to understand it through our surrounding. We see a large variety of things with different shape, size and texture. Everything in this universe is made up of material, which scientists have named matter. In this video, I will tell you about matter based on its physical properties. So, the first property is physical nature of matter. This means that matter is made up of particles. Do you know what is a particle? Particle is the smallest unit by which matter is made up of. For example, atom molecules. Everything around us is made up of tiny pieces of particles. Our body is made up of particles, our chair is made of particles, etc. The number of particles in everything, however, very large. Example, a small raindrops or water drop contains about 10 raised to the power 21 particles of water in it. Evidences for particles in matter. Have you ever seen a corn? Then you must have observed that it is made up of small corn pieces. In the same way, particles are present in a matter. The evidence for the existence of particles in matter and their motion comes from the experiments on diffusion. Diffusion is the mixing of different substances on their own. In the experiment on diffusion of water and potassium permanganate, the particles of potassium permanganate and those of water mix on their own without any external stirring. Since the particles of potassium permanganate and particles of water spread into each other and mix up on their own, therefore it is concluded that they are moving, or they are in motion. Now, I would tell you about the characteristics of matter. The particles of matter are very small. These small sizes of particles of matter can be shown by performing an experiment by using potassium permanganate and water. This experiment shows that just 2 or 3 tiny crystals of potassium permanganate can spread color to a large volume of water. So, from this observation we conclude that each potassium permanganate crystals itself must be made up of millions of small particles, which keep on spreading color to more and more of water. Since each tiny crystal of potassium permanganate is supposed to be made up of millions of particles, therefore, these particles must be very small. Second characteristic or behavior. The particles of matter have spaces between them. After adding sugar and water, the water in the beaker is at the same level, so what do you think, where the sugar has gone? This gives an idea that even after dissolving sugar in water, the volume has not increased, so there must be empty spaces between them. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have understood the topic clearly. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.